Welcome back, guys. It's been a while since I did a video. I know it's been a while. At the moment I'm in the US, in Michigan, at my parents' place, and I found some space to set up this coffee bar. And my machine looks very dirty because it moved from Canada all the way to Michigan. So first thing, I'll do a cleanup of the machine externally, and then we'll fill the water because I emptied it for transportation. Now we'll have to fill the water, we'll have to do a flush and clean cycle and the descaling. I think my machine already indicated that it's time to do the descale and the cleaning cycle, so we'll do both. Maybe in the future video, but for today we'll just do a clean of the machine and then we'll post further videos later on. So if you look closely at the machine, there's a lot of dirt which needs to be cleaned up. So that's a task for today, to clean the machine thoroughly. And let's begin. Rather than using a towel, I'll use a paper towel, which is recommended. I'll spray some water on it and then just wipe it. So that paper towel is a bit wet, and I'll first just gently wipe, not too hard. You can see the dirt already. There's a lot of dirt. Again, there's a lot of dirt on the side here. And then on the top here. On the other side as well. Now, most of the dirt here is from coffee spilling or spraying to this. So I would recommend to use a little bit of soap. So I took another clean towel and then I'll use the dish soap. This is a mild one, organic. So I'll just use a drop, that should be more than enough, and then gently wipe it. Now that will ensure that the coffee oils are completely removed, and again use a clean cloth. I'll take a dry cloth and then wipe it again. Okay, that looks like brand new. No more marks there. So I'll use the same mild soapy water here to clean the other surface here, because there could be coffee spills here. Yeah, I already see the mark. So a little bit of soap helps in cleaning that coffee oils. Should be good. And I'll use the other side to gently wipe the group head. And also the water outlet here. Yeah, see some coffee oils there. Also the group head without soap, just with water is fine. Okay, it's good. I still see some area here where it needs more cleaning, so I'm going to use the mild soap and then wipe that surface again. Okay, I see a big difference now. That resolved. And then use a dry cloth and wipe it clean again. Okay, so the machine looks clean everywhere, even on the surface here. And the other places you could clean are the tambour. Nobody cleans the tambour, but it's a good practice to clean once in a while. And then wipe it with clean cloth. That's good. Use the mild soapy water to clean the steam wand. And dry cloth, just wipe it again. That looks good. And lastly, don't forget at the back where the water tank is. Okay, that looks good. Now this cleaning process is so simple, but many ignore to do this, but it's a good practice to do this once in a while. Now I can see that the machine looks almost new. When I got it, it looked similar to that. It was so shiny here, and it is still shiny today after I cleaned. Now before even you switch on the machine, make sure you fill the water, because before our journey from Canada, I emptied the drip tray and the water tank here. So everything is empty, so you don't want to switch on and damage the machine. So make sure you fill the water before even you switch on the machine. So for today, I'll just take out the water tank and I'll rinse it and then fill in with water. So here's the water tank filled with water. Now your machine is ready to be switched on, so I'll take the plug and connect. And remember, the boiler is empty, so but the pump will pump the water to the boiler immediately. So let's see. Okay, so you're ready to use this machine. Now let me show you a close-up. Here it indicates that both flush and descale cycle is due. This is what I'm going to do next in my channel, as we'll see how to flush it. It's very simple, and then we'll see how to descale. So it's that simple to clean the machine, I mean the surface of the machine, and do that once in a while, because there'll be a lot of coffee spill which will have coffee oil, and that will make the machine surface fade, and you wonder why. When I bought the machine it was so shiny, and it's not shiny anymore. It's because of the coffee oils, which is everywhere in your machine. When you make espresso, that's what happens. There'll be a lot of spill, and you'll forget to clean that part, so that will create some oil and some deposit, which is causing the machine to fade. Now this one looks like brand new, which I'm happy with the look of it now. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be posting more videos on how to flush and how to descale, and then we'll make more coffee and have fun in this channel. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate that. See you guys next time. Bye for now.